Hello, everyone. This is Sammy Gorob. Someone asked a question about what are the dimensions. So the question is, the length of a rectangle is 4 meters less than twice the width. If the area of the rectangle is 336 square meters, find the dimensions. So let's go ahead and draw a rectangle on the board. And it has two dimensions. It has a length and a width. And we know that the area is equal to the width times the length. Okay, and here it says the length of a rectangle is 4 meters less than twice the length. So what that means is the length is equal to 2w minus 4. Okay, and so we're given also the area. Okay, so the area is 336 square meters. Okay, so we can go ahead and we can plug that in right here, 336 for the area. That's equal to the width w, okay, times the length, which is 2w times w times 2w minus 4. So we can distribute the w to the 2w and to the minus 4. And so we'll get 2w squared minus 4w is equal to 336. Now, everything is divisible by 2 on both sides, so we'll go ahead and divide both sides by 2. So on the left side, we'll get 168. On the right side, we'll get w squared minus 2w. Now we got a quadratic equation here. So we need to go ahead and subtract 168 from both sides. So I have 0 is equal to w squared minus 2w minus 168. We got to see if we, okay, so what two numbers would add to a minus 2 and multiply to give a minus 168? So what comes to mind would be, we can try minus 14 and positive 12. So if you take minus 14 plus positive 12, we get a negative 2. If you take negative 14 times positive 12, we get negative 168. So those would be our factors. So w minus 14 times w plus 12, w plus 12 equal to 0. So whenever you have terms that are inside the parentheses equal to 0, you can set each term in the parentheses equal to 0. So you can say you have w minus 14 is equal to 0, and w plus 12 is equal to 0. So when you solve the first equation, we get w equals 14, and when we solve the second equation, we get w equals minus 12. All we're doing here is just adding the 14 to both sides to get positive 14 and subtracting the 12 from both sides to get minus 12. Now, you can't have any negative dimensions here, so the minus 12 is not going to be an answer. So this right here is going to be the width, okay, 14. And then to find the length, we just plug in this width back into here. So length is equal to 2w minus 4, so it'd be L equals 2 times 14 minus 4. 2 times 14 is 28, minus 4 is 24. Okay, so the length is equal to 24. Now we want to go ahead and double check this, make sure this is correct. Remember, we said the area is equal to width times length. So if you plug in the width of 14 and we multiply that by the length, which is 24, we will get 336, which is the same as this right here. And yes, the units for width is actually meters, and the units for length is meters. And we take meters times meters, you're going to get meters squared. And that's the answer.